What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Don't Pretend by Khalid. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial and I won't have to murk you with the spirit bomb. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, so this song is in standard tuning, and I know that you guys hate the bar chords, but it is using some bar chords if you want to play it the correct way. This will be a good song for you to practice your bar chords on. So it's going to be, you're starting with an F sharp minor. It's going to be 0, 9, 11, 11, 10, 9. Then you're going to a bar chord E, which is going to be 0, 7, 9, 9, 9, 7. And you just, all you really need to do is just use your ring finger to bar your D, G, and B string on the 9th fret, and then have your index finger on the 7th fret on your A string. Then you're going to do C sharp minor, which is 0, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. And then that same formation you're using for your E, you're going to use here for this B major chord. It's 0, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2. And again, you don't need to play that high E string. You can just do 0, 2, and then use that ring finger to bar the D, G, and B string on your 4th fret. So F sharp minor, E, C sharp minor, B major. Now again, it may be frustrating trying to get those chords at first for you beginners. This is a good song for you to practice your bar chords on because it's super fun, and it will help you develop your hand strength. I'm probably going to do a video soon on some tips and tricks on how to get bar chords down, but this will be a good song for you to practice to really build your hand strength and really be able to do those bar chords, because those 4 chords just repeat throughout the entire song, and I'm going to show you the picking pattern for them right now. So on your F sharp minor chord, you're using your thumb to pick the A string. Then you're going to use your index finger to pick your D string, middle finger to pick your G string, and then your ring finger is going to pick your high E. And this is the only chord that you're going to be picking the high E string on. So A with your thumb, D with your index finger, G with your middle finger, high E with your ring finger. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then slap to mute it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same rhythm throughout all the chords, but through each of the other chords, you're going to be picking just the A, D, G, and B string. So this is the only chord you're going to pick the high E string. Everything else, it's just A, D, G, B. So for your F sharp minor, again, A, D, G, E. Then jump down to your E. Like I said, it's going to be thumb on the A, index finger on the D, middle finger on your G, and then ring finger on your B, and it's the same rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, mute. 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 Jump down to your C sharp minor. Same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, mute. A, D, G, B, mute. Thumb, index, middle, ring, mute. Same thing on your B major chord. 1, 2, 3, mute. 1, 2, 3, 4, mute. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, mute. That's the same rhythm throughout all of them. So starting from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, mute. 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 As always, I'm going to have the tab for this in the description, so if you need that once you get done with the video, check the description. The tab will be in there for you. I'm going to play this a few times slowly so you really see how it is. Here it is. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.